I'm Scott Townsend. Join me in the next Community Connection, where we discuss wills, powers of attorney, and funeral arrangements. Watch Community Connection only on Rogers TV.
Ever wondered what it would be like to work in TV? Dreamed about having your own show? There's opportunity waiting for you at Rogers TV. Join us at our public information session, Wednesday, April 10th at 7 p.m. at the main branch of the Waterloo Public Library, 35 Albert Street, Waterloo. Come meet our team and learn more about Rogers TV's extensive volunteer opportunities and how you can create and produce your very own local TV show.
Everyone, is Jeremy Travers here for FYI on Rogers TV, and today we're here to talk about the upcoming Women of Distinction Awards nominations, and here, as always, to tell us all about it is Kim Decker from the YWCA. So Kim, why don't you tell us about the 20th year of doing these awards? Tell us a little bit about that.
We are so thrilled to be offering the 20th anniversary of Women of Distinction.
Why didn't you just set it on the table?
This year, as in the past,
it's not gonna it's not gonna
use a variety of categories for the contributions that they make for their own personal achievement and for their commitment to the development of other women and girls.
Now, when will the deadline for the nominations?
It's gonna start in like a couple of seconds.
Deadline for nominations is Friday, April the 5th.
No, I know that
and you can access the nomination course on our website, or you can call in and get a hard copy.
So folks, make sure you get to that website, and if you know someone you would like to nominate, go to the website and fill out the form for this year's Women of Distinction nominations. For FYI, I'm Jeremy Travers.
And welcome back to the show. It's of Technology, and this time we're talking about the University of Waterloo and a fantastic initiative. This is the Electrical and Computer Engineering Design Symposium. And here to tell us a little bit more about it, we have Kusay Farhan with Team Battleware and Keenan Ali, also with Team Battleware. And we have two other gentlemen from your team. Introduce the gentleman behind us here.
This is Ian Chow, and Lawrence. Ian Chachan and Lawrence Park.
All right, these are the silent partners. We wanted all four because it is taken four of you together in this group to develop the item that you will have in this symposium. Let's start here if we can, please, Keenan, and just talk about what the symposium is all about.
Okay, so the symposium is a showcase of all of the electrical and computer engineers' fourth year's design projects. There's a cumulative project that all of us have to work on. And it's held every year. Today it's going to be, this year it's going to be on Wednesday, tomorrow, from 9:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the Davis Center at the University of Waterloo campus. There are 310 undergrad students, 71 groups that will have similar projects to ours, and there are sponsors to this event as well. So AMD, Apple, there's Infusion Angels, which is a financing arm of a software company that down here in Kitchener. And there's also TELUS, who are sponsoring various prizes for certain aspects which they think are the best.
Okay. And now, Kusay, what this is all about is the development of items to help with real-world situations. Is that what I'm getting from part of this?
Yeah, I mean, you can do solve any engineering problem, whether it's to help with a specific issue in the world or a specific item in the home, or for example, if you have an entertainment improvement that you're going to have. So basically,
it's not necessarily a serious thing. It's like, but there is one category I was reading about where they can develop technology to be used in a natural disaster.
Yeah.
People would be at risk. So one development team would work on a project to do with that. Others will work on the betterment of technology like apps and things like that.
For sure, yeah. I mean, mobile apps are pretty popular right now, so a lot of people are trying to innovate in that field. So.
Okay. Now, Keenan, for you guys, you decided to go with what, the entertainment route? So
we're definitely focusing on the entertainment route.
This very Ghostbustery. I just love the fact we're talking about high technology and it's got Nerf. It's got Nerf written on it too. So with that in mind, we've got sort of the technology set up here. You've got our giant television. We've got a video game going. Yeah. What game do you have set up here?
So this is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. We think it fits in very well with our peripheral just because, well, we've set out to create something that allows people to use motion to play games in a more realistic and authentic manner. Specifically with this, you're pointing a gun in midair and you have the freedom to move around in 360 degrees of motion.
So this is sort of the playoff, like people are getting used to the Wii technology, being able to wave your arms around.
Yeah, sort of.
How does this differ from that?
Yeah, so over the last couple of years, there's been the Wii, there's been the Kinect from Microsoft, there's been the PS Move. Our idea takes that and goes a little bit further. So we thought about how we can improve on the experience. With those technologies, you always have to look at the screen,
Right.
and we basically free you from that because we've got a screen on here. So you have full 360 degree.
This has the screen right. Oh, sorry, turn that around. Let's see if you get a shot of that. I don't want to take it out of your. You keep holding it. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
So that screen is mimicking what we're seeing behind you there.
So whatever you see on your TV, you can actually see on.
Okay, fantastic. Well, let's fire that up and let's give this a whirl.
Sure.
All right, you're just going to be shooting at some targets here.
Yeah.
As long as one of you keeps facing me, let's have a look here. Come on over here a little quick. Can you come closer to me, or do you got to be right in front of the TV?
Yeah, I can.
There we go. As my mom used to say, don't sit too close to the television. All right, fire that up, guys, and let's give it a whirl. Our two silent partners. Oh, so you are actually okay. You're directing with that. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
All right. So.
Yes, there we go. So I'm watching you.
Yeah. Something we have different. You asked what's different between this and the Wii, for example. So, for
Yeah.
example, for the Wii, when you're playing and you're waving your arms around, you actually have to always be facing the TV, right?
That's right.
And your motion is only tracked within the field of the.
Exactly.
view
That
of the
sensor
TV.
that sits on top of the television, you have to be
But
within
then
range of that, right?
We try to kind of eliminate that. So basically, the difference with this is when you spin around.
You are spinning right around because
This
you're
will
watching the monitor. Yeah.
Yeah, this will track you.
So that's kind of a neat look. Here, turn this way. I want to get an over-the-shoulder look. So just like that,
Mm-hmm.
and then people can see over your shoulder
Yeah.
that you've got the screen facing the other screen.
There you go.
And tilt that over there a little bit. Okay, so you are, and the guy on the screen's following along.
Yeah.
The dude on the right there, he doesn't look too happy. He looks bored, to be honest with you. What's going on with that?
He's waiting for me to
So
start.
how do you develop technology like this? Where do you start? Like, what is the screen? What is the receptor? Are you feeding movement data? Is there a gyroscope in
Yeah,
this?
so exactly. There's a gyroscope in the front.
Okay.
And that tracks basically your motion in 360 degrees.
Okay.
And then we have basically a wireless video transmitter
Right.
that receives the signal from your computer and then transmits it to here, and there's some magic going on. And
Okay.
then appears on your screen.
Oh, magic. Oh, magic. Yeah. How do you grade magic? Okay, now what about as far as walking and moving?
So we kind of have
Oh, you have a little...
a little joystick here and
Okay.
some buttons to kind of.
For the moving.
Yeah.
But as you say, this means that if you're playing a game, you're not restricted to being in the range of the sensor staring at the TV.
Yeah, exactly.
You've got your own monitor on there. Fantastic. Keenan, any other items that are part of the symposium you want to mention? Any other projects that come to mind?
Yeah, so there are actually quite a few. So the reason we're on the show is just because we hope that our project entices people to go to the symposium. But there are other projects that other groups are working on. Another example is, so have you guys seen the movie Real Steel? So you know how Hugh Jackman controls the robot while they fight?
Okay.
There's a group like that.
Is there really?
Yeah, so they've got a small little robot, and the robot will mimic them.
I think what I like is stuff that you're doing for entertainment, for fun, but then it can be adapted to be used in other situations. That's the beauty with technology. People can attend, and this is beginning tomorrow, right, at the Davis Center, University of Waterloo. It starts 9:30 tomorrow morning.
9:30 a.m.
And then plays out over 4 days. Is that right?
No, just over
Or
one
just
day.
tomorrow is the
Just
one day?
tomorrow, yeah.
Can the general public attend?
The general public can attend. It's free for everyone to attend. We encourage people to attend.
All right, fantastic. Gentlemen, thanks for coming to show this to me. I really appreciate that. And for the two silent partners. There's always silent partners. Thank you, guys. University of Waterloo Engineering Design Symposium tomorrow. Thanks for being here. We'll be right back.
So the gun doesn't actually, like, if you move with it, it doesn't move along with you?
No.
I thought that's what it did. Still, good job.
Thanks.
See you.
See ya.
Hi, I'm Laura Moisen. Tune in to Wellington Cares, where we visit various health-based volunteer group organizations in Guelph and Wellington County. That's Wellington Cares, right here on Rogers TV.
Sports, history, geography, and passion align to create great rivalries. And in the NHL, there's none greater than the Leafs and Sens. You can win a pair of tickets to the next round of the Battle of Ontario, April 20th in Ottawa, when the Leafs take on the Senators. Go to RogersTV.com now and enter the passcode RIVALRY for your chance to win tickets, travel, and accommodation. You could be there as the Battle of Ontario continues.
But if you do want a rewards card, pick one that appeals to you. Cashback, free flights, free movies, the list goes on. But just pick one. It'll be easier to manage, and you'll gain points that much faster. And hey, if you're a really big spender, it might be worth it to pay an annual fee to receive even greater rewards. When you start to compare the difference between cards, you'll quickly see how picking the right one can get complicated. To find out what works best for you, try crunching the numbers using online credit card tool.
Okay, I'm watching Crusade and Nadine. Go to the left. To the left. There you go. Over. One of those backseat drivers when
There's
it goes.
the board guy again.
Okay.
I love an adaptation of technology. So again, this is the fourth-year engineering students. The University of Waterloo Electrical Computer Engineering Design Symposium. It happens tomorrow. Anybody can attend in the Davis Center, University of Waterloo. I love this.
Well, I'm asking them, this is your fourth-year project, right? This is for the marks. And I said, tell Bill I'd give you an A+. Easily, an A+ on this. You just let him know that. This is fantastic. I can see this being, and I'm assuming at the symposium there are people that come through that are looking for the next great idea. This could get picked up by somebody.
We're hoping that happens.
Wow.
We've got multiple use cases that this can apply.
Absolutely, and I was just thinking of exactly that. When I think of the Wii and how it allowed some people that weren't as mobile to move around. But then again, there's another group of people that just can't be in front of it staring at the TV. This would allow them to have a monitor like that adaptively installed in a wheelchair, or who knows, right? Sky's the limit.
No, I think that's great. The other thing I liked about this is, Kuse at one point, it did tell him he was going too slow. So it made me feel better because maybe I could actually play this. If you're going slow, then maybe I could do it too. But that's fabulous.
So, but being shown through just a game is just really the beginning of the iceberg for the technology here.
But, and I know when I was talking to Keenan, you said blood, sweat, tears, everything went into this. Do you guys have any idea, if you were to put all the hours together, how many hours would have gone into this?
Oh, it's at least a few hundred.
Yeah.
Wow. That's unbelievable.
And how about just budget? Did you give are you limited by budget?
Well, we had personally set up limits of $500 each, and we haven't blown that. I mean,
wow.
This has costed quite a bit, but, I mean, we've managed to stay under that.
But in the world of technology, when you can keep your budget done like that, that's another perk, I think, for you. Well, congratulations on this. This is fabulous, and more to be seen at the Design Symposium. You can pop by tomorrow.
That's excellent. That's very cool. Who owned the Nerf gun, though, that got Bushy?
We bought it.
Yeah, one of them had the Nerf gun, yeah.
Well, I think that's fabulous. Congratulations to you guys. All the best with all of that. Remember the little people when you make it big with this, okay? All right. All right. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.